You guys are great math detectives. Here's your third problem. Jenna had a basket of 10 blocks. Some were white and some were gray. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show her blocks. Here's the math sentence that I wrote. She had 10 blocks. Some were white and some were gray. Here's my math drawing that goes with my number sentence. Oh, did you just see the mistake I made? Now, with your dry erase marker, fix my mistake. Show what my math drawing should really look like to go with this number sentence. When you're done, make a video on Seesaw. Describe the error I made and how you fixed it. Once you've made your video, go to your last problem, problem number 4.